Toronto.
Hi, I'm Professor Stephen Morris, and I'm at BMO Field in Toronto to talk about the physics of soccer and how to bend it like Beckham. The bend is all in the spin. So the trick to it is to get the ball spinning in just the right way. If I kick right behind the back of the ball, then I can get it to go straight without spinning. But what happens then is that the air that the ball is running into actually sticks to the surface of the ball when it's stopped by that surface. And then it peels off the back and blows away in a kind of wake, just like the wake behind a ship. If I kick a little, say, to the right, then I can get the ball spinning, if you'll keep it spinning. Then as the air encounters the ball, the air on one side finds the ball moving in the same direction as the wind. And that air will stay stuck to the ball a little bit longer, and it'll come off a little bit later than it did before. On the other side of the ball, the air encounters the ball moving toward it, and so it peels off a little bit sooner than it did before. Then the wake that comes out behind the ball is thrown off to one side. And if you throw something off to one side, then there's action and reaction. The throwing off of the wake to the right will push the ball to the left. So if I kick the ball a little bit to the right, it will spin in such a way that it bends or curves to the left. If I kick it a little bit to the left, it will spin in such a way that it curves or bends to the right. And that's the physics of bending it like Beckham. Now let's try it, shall we? Great job. So you see, if you want to bend it like Beckham, you have to practice, and study your physics.